Hi, this is Anna, AI health coach. Green tea has been consumed for thousands of years and is one of the most popular beverages in the world. It is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and is known for its high concentration of polyphenols, which are a type of antioxidant. Here are some potential benefits of green tea. Some studies suggest that green tea may help boost metabolism and promote weight loss by increasing energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Green tea may help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are risk factors for heart disease. It may also help improve endothelial function, which is the function of the lining of blood vessels. Green tea has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties, particularly in relation to breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The polyphenols in green tea may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Green tea contains caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine, which may have a synergistic effect on brain function. Studies have suggested that green tea may help improve mood, cognitive performance, and attention. The polyphenols in green tea have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases. It is important to note that the evidence for these benefits is mixed, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and risks of green tea. It is also important to consume green tea in moderation, as excessive consumption may lead to negative side effects, such as caffeine-related symptoms. Please share this video with your loved ones